Hey guys, it's me Risa. Just got back from Walmart and I'm going to show you my grocery haul that hopefully can help you decide on meal planning and prepping because you know that's really key. So I'm going to go over what I bought and how I use a lot of these items. Now you can check out tons and tons of recipes on my YouTube channel, and all the ingredients and directions are written underneath, okay? So make sure you subscribe and share my channel with everyone, okay? So let's get started. I love this Silk almond milk, okay? And it's the unsweetened, and it's so rich and tasty, and you can use it in a cream sauce. I love using it also for my smoothies and add different fruits to it. And if you want it really thick, you can add frozen fruit or some ice cubes. And of course, lots of different onions. I have just like Vidalia and regular onion because I use these to really zip up my meals, for my frittatas, for my eggs, for my burgers, for my stir fries, because it gives so much flavor using onions, and you can get tons of my recipes. I love using onions. Of course, spinach, I use that actually in a lot of my smoothies to get extra fiber, okay, and get in my veggies, but I also use it for my salads and my quiche and my frittatas and my eggs. All right, spinach is so healthy and versatile. And today I bought some peas, some snow peas that I love for my stir fries or add to my salads, okay? And bananas, you know, for everything. I love frozen bananas and I add them to my smoothies. But I use them in so many of my recipes, for my oat recipes, my muffin recipes, and my cake recipes. So bananas are really great to have, and they're nice and healthy and high in potassium. Okay, so for some healthy snacks, I love my Orville Smart Pop and my sweet and salty kettle corn. That's great as a snack item in the afternoon. I do intermittent, so I don't eat at night, but I do love to have a little snack in the afternoon, especially if I'm off work or on the weekends. And it's just really nice and healthy. And sometimes I make regular popcorn too that I have on my YouTube channel that you can make in your microwave. I love to have some potatoes around. I love mashed potatoes. I like making my crispiest potato recipe, and everybody loves my mashed potatoes. So I like baked potatoes, which are really easy to just put in the microwave. Of course, I love my fruit. I bought some strawberries today, and I like adding those also to my salads. And just as a nice snack, you can freeze them. You can dip them in some Cool Whip. You can add them to your muffins or my donut recipe or scone recipe. So you can find lots of ways to use strawberries. And you can make even a strawberry sauce, which I love to do. And of course, my peppers. I'm making tacos tonight, but I love a variety of color sweet peppers because they are super delicious. And like I said, I make it for my tacos. I put them in my salads, my stir fries, and my egg recipes. So having a variety makes it look pretty. In my rice dishes, like just so many ways you can use peppers. And I bought some celery because that's a great snack. You can just munch on it. And you can also munch on, obviously, the peppers to have a nice like snack before or during while you're cooking. That's a really good tip. Have things cut up so that while you're cooking, you're not just snacking on anything because you're hungry, right? And I love celery in my tuna and in my tuna burgers, and also with some cream cheese on it, some peanut butter on it, you can have it. All right, and even in my salads. And of course, one of my all-time favorite veggies are my zucchini for zucchini noodles. But again, I use this for so many of my zucchini burgers. I add them to my burgers, my veggie burgers, in my salad, my stir fries. You know, it's just versatile. Frittatas, omelets, everything. I absolutely just love zucchini and zucchini noodles, of course, right? Those are amazing. Eggs, hello, for everything. Oh my God, I use eggs in like so many of my recipes. And I think I have it upside down, but I always buy extra large eggs. I love using them when I'm baking, for my muffins and for my cakes, and just for all my quiches and frittatas and omelets, okay? And I love this extra lean chicken meat. I'm using that tonight for my tacos. And I'm making a lot because my daughter's friend's coming over. So you can check out my recipe. And also I love using this for sliders, burgers, meatballs, my sauces. When I make my spaghetti sauce and meatballs, I love having chicken meat because it's lower in fat and high in protein. And depending on what program you are on, if you're on blue or purple, it's 0 smart points. But even if you're on the green program, it's still low. And again, chicken meat is so versatile, right? And my crack slaw recipe, that's a great one as well. I love my Cool Whip. I use that in tons of my baking recipes. And I love adding that like fruit to it, or PB2 to it, or just some cocoa to it. You can have it with fruit, dip fruit in it, make different dips, and you can check out my recipes for Cool Whip. And I just found this. It's the delicious sour cream. It is a little bit higher because it is a thicker sour cream, and I use that for my cheesecake now because somebody told me to use it, and I love it. But I just love it as a side dish when I'm having my tacos. My daughter does on potatoes. You can make lots of different dips with sour cream, right? And you can find those also on my YouTube channel. One of my favorite cream cheeses is this whipped chive one. And it's pretty low. It's 30 calories for 1 tablespoon and only 1.5 saturated fats. And it's so delicious. I love them on my pierogies. I love them on my veggies. I love them on toast. I just love this cream cheese. So you might want to check that out. And they do have different flavors. And now for the taco stuff. My daughter loves the shells. My husband loves the tortillas. I buy for myself. I have the Mama Lupas because they're only like 60 calories. So these ones are a bit higher, but that's what they're having, some taco seasoning. And I decided to buy some jalapenos. Why not? I can add those to lots of my recipes as well, right? My egg recipes and my quiche. And I love this hazelnut coffee because it's super delicious. So as you can see, I have a variety of different things that I've bought. And, you know, I always just check in my fridge, see what I have, and in my cupboard, see what I have, and that helps me to decide for meal planning and meal prep. So I hope this video helps you for some ideas. And let's see. And that's basically it. So here I am again. So I hope it helps you on your journey. I know that for me, meal planning and grocery shopping, I know it's a lot of work. I'm not going to lie, but it will keep you in control and staying on track, okay? Because when you have everything in your house and find different things. I love finding different things to have because it makes it interesting and not boring, and season things up, right? So, with the onions, I love that. And I add a lot of mushrooms and different things that I already have. So that's why you don't see them right now. So I hope this was helpful for you. Again, let me know what you think. Comment below when you make any of my recipes. Tag me, share my channel with everyone. I love you guys. Bye for now. Happy shopping and cooking and meal planning and meal prepping and baking. Okay? Take care.